paper unboxing for the February subscription box. So I'm going to open it all with you and show you what it's like. So this is the size of the box. It comes with a contact card of what's in it. I like that these included some stickers. Looks like that's it. I'll leave this on the side. And we'll take a look. So this is cute. This looks like a little notebook that can either just, I'm a big fan of leaving a notebook on your desk open with the page turned, so you don't even have to like turn it when you want to write something down. Super cute little sleek, right? So I would probably just leave this on my desk like that, and as I think of something I would just jot it down. Oh, this is so awesome. This is so personal. I'm so excited. This is a new size subscription box I just started getting. I switched from the Pocket because I found that I wasn't using the inserts in my Pocket the way they are intended to. Because my Pocket, I have so many setups for that, but the Pocket really acts as my wallet and a quick reference. So I just wasn't using like financial tracking and, you know, book lists and stuff. That's in my personal wide and my A5s. So here we have this other little memo, super plain, but really cute. Also, that could just sit on your desk. Here, it comes always with that monthly card and a couple of quotes, and you'll see like I popped the quotes in here. Has a little Easter eggs every once in a while. So we have April. Let's see. L'avenir. The future. Take it. Alright. Appropriate. Start over. Just lay it there. And taking on something new. I love that. I love this starting over and taking on something new. Goes in line with a lot of the goals trackers I set up and work on. So I'll probably put that in one of my planners. This is a sticky note, really pretty color. I'm not sure what color they call it. Most of the time they have the color on there, but that's really cute. I really like this dashboard. I mean, come on. That's beautiful. It looks like it says Muse. Or maybe it's just scribble. But this says Muse, so this dashboard is really neat. So kind of layer that, put that together. We'll definitely be using the dashboard. And then this is really neat because you know I like budgeting. I have that tracker on Etsy that I use religiously. I have a finance planner. Budgeting does not have a one-size-fits-all approach. That is certainly true. But I was thinking of, I still haven't done a setup of my personal wide. I do want to, but you ever get like analysis paralysis where you just kind of don't know where to start, so you just don't start? But we're going to. We're just going to start. I love this. So budget category description. It looks like this was something very similar to what she set up years back. Recurring payments, expense log. This is like the updated expense or financial tracker that she had. Yeah, for sure. I really yeah. So this is an edited version of it, and it's a little more sleek and slimmed down. But I definitely would like to use this and see. I don't know. I love my finance tracker, but I'm tempted to take. This goes beyond unboxing, but I don't know, take the monthly stuff and put it in my personal wide, and take the goal section of the finance planner and just merge it with my goals. So I'm thinking about that. I don't know. Let me know what you think. What would you do? Would you put finance goals with goals and keep finances in a reference planner. That's kind of where I'm thinking about. So this is so perfect for it. So I'm very excited. It's beautiful as always highly recommend it. But that's it. That's the unboxing. And I hope this was helpful. I hope it helps you decide maybe what to purchase, what to think about, whether to subscribe. And we'll go ahead and leave it there for today. And I appreciate you always joining. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. Thanks for joining, everyone. Bye.